Everyone, welcome back or welcome to my channel. If you've never been here before, my name is Maggie and today is going to be a part 2 video of my DIY beauty advent that I've been doing. So on Instagram, I would say every morning, but it's not every morning. Sometimes I forget to roll until the evening, but every day I have been doing a random roll on my phone with the Pretty Random app, and then I have a spreadsheet of products that I chose from my own collection that I wanted to use as a beauty advent calendar. So I have my intro video, I have a kind of 10-day update, and then this is the finale. So I just wanted to share with you what I pulled, how that experience was, if I have anything extra to really say about it or not, but just wanted to kind of wrap it all up here. So I'm going to have both those videos linked down below, but it's been really fun and kind of exciting to just have something new pulled in. Some of the products were things that I already had open and was working on. Some of them were brand new to me. So I got a good mix out of this entire experience, and I would definitely do this again. I don't even know if I'd wait until the Advent season next year. I think I want to do something similar to this maybe sooner in the year. Maybe we'll do like an advent calendar Christmas in July type thing. I don't know. Anyway, let's just go ahead and dive in. I have a notebook here of what I pulled on each day so I can keep track. So on day 12, because my last video was from day 1 through 11, so on day 12 I pulled a nail polish, and this is the Zoya Logan nail polish. So it's a green glitter. I actually have it. It's my accent nail right now for Christmas. So it's just a nice kind of deep evergreen green with sparkles in there. These sparkles are a green and a gold. So I pulled this. When I pulled it, I used it on my toes. So I have green sparkly toes right now, which is so festive. But I do like this. I don't usually use the green sparkly anytime outside of the Christmas season. So it was nice to have it pulled in and have a reason to kind of use it. On day 13, I pulled a bath bomb from Lush. So here's my packaging. It was the I Want a Hippopotamus for Christmas, which is a limited edition one from their holiday collection this year. I do cut my bath bombs in half. So I cut it in half, got a use out of it, and then I did use the other half of it. Obviously, this is empty. I just reviewed this in my empties video. But that was nice to have a bath. It got really cold here, and it was just nice to kind of cozy up. Day 14 came with the Drunk Elephant Bamboo Booster. So this is a exfoliating product. So it's a physical exfoliant. There's like little, they're not beads. It's almost like sand in here. So I would dump it into my hand. You can mix it with water with your cleanser. I mixed it with my cleanser one night. It was okay. I think this is nice because you can control how much exfoliation you want. If you want more or less, you're in control, but I don't think I'd need to purchase this product by any means, but it's kind of fun to use, and it's been sitting there because I forget to use it. Physical exfoliation is not part of my normal skincare routine. I'm much more into chemical exfoliants lately, so it was just a nice kind of break into my routine. Day 15, I pulled my Anastasia Sultry palette. Love this, and I decided that day for my eye look I would do something that I don't normally reach for in here, and my favorite shadow in here is the Cyborg shade because I think it is so unique. I don't have any other silvers like this. I don't. So I did a look with this all over the lid. It was absolutely beautiful. And then I had, I think, Birch and Twig in the crease, which are the two matte shadows in here that are kind of like medium tone. I might have put a little bit of slate in. I can't remember now, but that was really fun and I liked it, and I'll definitely be reaching for that shadow more. But I thought since I pulled it, I wanted to make it as sultry palette as possible, right? So that was a fun one, and of course I'm still using this regularly. Day 16, I pulled a lipstick. This is the Flower Beauty Cinnamon Crush Matte Lipstick. To be honest, this is not one of my favorite lipsticks, but I did, pull it and use it. It's okay. I mean, the formula's fine. I like the amount of pigmentation, but the color is just meh for me. So I did use it, but it wasn't anything special, I guess I'm trying to say. Day 17, I pulled a face mask. This is the Milk Makeup face mask. It's in a stick, and this is the Watermelon Brightening. So you just scroll it up from the bottom and put it all over your face. I really like this mask. I've been using it quite a bit this year, so that was a nice one to pull. I used it, I can't remember if I used it in a bath or if I used it in the morning. Either way, it's nice. I like this mask. Day 18, I pulled a hair treatment. So this is the DP Hue Apple Cider Vinegar Hair Rinse. I've had this forever and I'm finally using it. I think it's okay. I don't really know if I can tell results or not, but I have the product, so I might as well use it up. So I did get a good, usage out of there. And then on day 19, I pulled a hair mask. This is the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Yogurt Hydrate and Repair Protein Power Treatment. This is a super, super thick hair mask to the point where it's almost kind of chunky. It's so thick, so I really put this in my hair. I actually used these in the same shower experience. I pulled this on the 18th, but I actually showered and used them both on the 19th. So I paired these together, and that was kind of a nice experience because then I was using both a different shampoo and conditioner instead of my normal stuff. But I have a lot of hair treatments that I forget to use, so I was glad I pulled them both in. And that was part of it, right, is to shop my own stash and get use out of things. On day 20, I pulled another nail polish. This is the Butter London, and this is the Champers. So it's kind of like a rose gold color. I really like it. It was pretty opaque, and it just has a little bit of a silver shimmer in it. I wouldn't call it glitter necessarily, but this was nice. This is what I had on my nails before I did my Christmas nails, and I really enjoyed it. The color is pretty neutral, and so it goes with pretty much anything that you want to wear. Day 21, I pulled a body scrub. This is the K&S Soapworks Polar Bear Express. It's like a marshmallow scent. I've been using this in my Project Use It Up, but in this day when I pulled it and I showered is when I actually finished it off. So that was kind of special and fun. I have since moved on to another scent, the Vanilla Bean Noel scent, and just love these. I rave about these, but I really, really like the formula, and I just talked about this in my empties video too that I filmed. So you can check out even more if you want to hear about there. All right, on the 22nd, I pulled a face mask. This is a sample from Bliss. This is the What a Melon Reviving and De-Stressing Overnight Mask. I used this in my skincare chit chat video, but that's what it looks like. It's just a pink color. It smells like Jolly Ranchers. It's so good. But I use this in my skincare chit chat video, like I said, and it was fine. I didn't really notice anything special about it. Like I talked about in that video, I don't really know if I buy into the overnight mask marketing. To me, it's just a moisturizer, but nevertheless, I still used it and it worked well for me and didn't have any negative side effects, I guess you could say. On the 23rd, I pulled another face mask. This is the Herbivore Blue Tansy Resurfacing Clarity Mask. I love this mask. This is one of my favorites. It is a little bit expensive, but obviously you can see I've used probably half of it now. It is a really thin formula. You can see me kind of shaking it around there, which is nice because a little bit goes a long way on your face. But I love this. This is one of my tried and true favorites that I've been using pretty regularly all year, so it was just nice to have another excuse to use this. The last day of Advent, on the 24th, I pulled a lipstick. So this is a mini from Bite, and it's in the shade Chai. So this is what looks like. It is also what I'm wearing on my lips today. So it's a just nice kind of berry, deeper berry, almost a little bit red, but not like true red, just a nice color. So that is what I'm wearing today, and I'm really enjoying it. So those are the products. As a whole, like I said, I really enjoyed the experience. It was fun to shop my stash, and it was fun to see my spreadsheet full of beautiful products get chosen every day. You know what I mean? Like I was able to see that I was actually using things. So I definitely would recommend if you ever want to try this out. It's a fun experience. But that is going to be it for me and this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.